With some really big news this week, Samsung is completely taking center stage. As 2025 draws near, it seems like the smartphone industry is at a turning point, making the next year significant for Samsung. To top it off, they're beginning with a little apology. It's almost as if we're witnessing the return of that fierce, ambitious Samsung that we all remember from the past, the one that was always willing to push the boundaries and shake things up. Samsung has apologized for not really hitting the innovation mark this year and is promising that things are about to take a significant upswing. The new Galaxy S25 series is the focus of all the hype, and according on what we've heard, they're putting a lot of effort into the CPU this time around. Samsung formally unveiled the Exynos 2500 a few months ago, and it seems that at least some of the Galaxy S25 smartphones may include this processor. However, things get a little complicated from here. According to various rumors, Samsung may use Snapdragon processors all over the world. It's a little confusing at the moment, even if some are making references to MediaTek chips. The renowned analyst Manny Kuo claims that Samsung hopes to purchase more Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processors, sometimes referred to as Snapdragon 8 Elite, from Qualcomm this year. If this proves to be accurate, Snapdragon chips, which are supposedly Qualcomm's most costly and potent mobile processor to date, may be used in all Galaxy S25 devices globally. It is anticipated that 9 million of these chips will be shipped this year, with each one initially costing about $180. Samsung was ready to release the Exynos 2500 processor for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. However, it seems that the 3nm chip's manufacturing yield was below par, so they may have to use third-party chips instead. Although Samsung has already adopted the Snapdragon platform worldwide, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is reportedly 15% more expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will undoubtedly affect the Galaxy S25 series cost. Here's the scoop. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to dominate the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU internationally. Samsung may even explore the MediaTek Tensity 9400 chip as an option, as they likely don't want to significantly raise the price of their high-end phones. With everything going on, it seems that we're not only getting the most powerful Galaxy S flagships yet, but also a significant emphasis on video enhancements. As a result, we're probably bidding adieu to Exynos processors for good. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.